guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I thought that you guys might want to follow us around. We're going to the Toronto Motorcycle Show, which is always fun. So if you guys want to see that, and that's about it. Brady won't be there because he has to work today and tomorrow, so he's working all weekend. So I'm going with my mom and my brother and my nephew and the girls. Yeah, that is about it. So if you guys want to see that, then keep watching.
That is the party. See, Tal? This one right here. If I was to drive a hog, that is a cool bike.
Oh, I love this seat on
Nice
it.
and simple. Yeah.
I love this
Although
seat.
I'm loving this.
Yeah,
I am going to go around that way and get a picture of this side.
Okay. Bum, come this way, honey. Me? Yeah, both of you. Honey. Hey, look at me. Are you having fun? What are we looking at, Elle?
Motorcycles.
Motorcycles. Watch where you're going.
You guys didn't get in that car with us. Go now. I said my baby toe.
Dare, did you hear that?
No.
The guy was like, you wouldn't fit in that car. He's like, I said my baby toe.
Oh.
That's funny.
You want Ellie on it? Or
Yeah,
no?
do you want to sit on it?
Want to sit on the bike?
Yeah. She's not scared of anything.
No, she really isn't.
Thank you, Nate.
Awesome, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, hold on.
Ellie.
And look at Mommy.
Belly.
Okay.
Ellie.
How much is it? 35,000. Okay, are you ready? Look at Ellie.
Belly. Look.
Oh,
Look at Uncle Dave.
Belly.
Ford excursion.
Ooh.
People. Ford
Nice.
excursion.
It's a piece of shit.
Expedition, sorry. Ready?
Here comes
Wait,
the airplane.
Where did it go?
Whoa.
See it, okay?
No.
Keep your eyes open. It's coming right here. Listen
Oh,
for
there
it.
it is.
Look at that. Are you going to
Ellie
be on an
girl.
airplane someday, Ellie?
That's so close. The camera does not do it justice.
No.
Was that cool?
That was wicked.
Did you get it done?
And you know what that's called when they're one behind the other?
Ah.
Aaron. Aw, she's only little.
Yeah.
She's only 3 after all.
Linny, can you wave?
Oh,
Look at mommy.
and Nate didn't know they were coming. Oh. That is funny.
It's fun.
You're it, Dad. Dad.
No, Dan, don't. No, Dan, don't.
Daddy.
Mom, it's 10 seconds long. That's not long enough.
Nice.
I won't be able to make that one.